That is super clean.
Wife got me a new Turbo Sonic 2500 Ultrasonic Cleaner. So we're going to unbox this sucker and put it to use. With the cleaner, we've got a bottle of the Turbo Sonic concentrated cartridge case cleaning solution. As you can see, these are pretty dirty 30-30 cases. Armor pockets are pretty nasty. We'll get a good shot of those, and we'll see how this ultrasonic cleaner does. Remember to read your instructions first. And this solution here that we've got is for the cartridges. Make sure there's no excessive oil on them. And since I'm doing a first batch, a new batch of liquid, it says here to degas it, so run it for 5 minutes. Turn it on and run it for 5 minutes when we put it in there for degassing. Alright, well here's the basket. Holding tank. We're going to mix up some solution here. About 70 ounces they say this holds. Approximately 70 ounces, so we're going to mix it up at about a half an ounce per 20 ounces according to the bottle. So we'll get that mixed up. Alright, so I've mixed up 60 ounces of liquid. About halfway, that's good enough. Now we're going to turn this on for the first time and degas. Run it for 5 minutes like the instructions said, because it's a fresh batch of liquid, and degas it. And in the meantime, turn the heater on to it as well. Alright, so TC is the heat. 5 minutes would be 300. So 280, 380. 480, 90 seconds. Let's go ahead and run it for the 280, that's close enough. Turn it on. You can hear a real slight buzzing sound coming out of that. Alright, she just finished her degassing cycle. So that heats the liquid up with the heater. It heats it up to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Go ahead and add our shells. All right, we've got our shells lined up in here. We're going to stick them in the solution. Move them around a little bit, get the air out of work the air out of the sides of the shells. All right, let's go for 8 minutes. 480 seconds. Heater's on. Come back in 8 minutes and inspect them. Alright, time's up. Let's check them out. Give it a shake, get any of the trapped water out. Then we'll give them a rinse. I've got a bucket down here. Wow, those are shiny. That brass looks brand new.
Okay, we'll get a close-up here of a primer pocket before the cleaning. I'll show you after cleaning. That is super clean. Pretty good job. You never get enough of these close-ups.
Well, I say that did a really good job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't mind, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. That seems to do something to the videos. Thanks for watching.